Okay, hello and good morning to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. I'm basically going to be prepping for my service 400 amp panel. Okay, please, hello and welcome again. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is basically my 400 amp panel, which I removed all the components from inside so I can open the panel. You can see this is the panel covers that I had to remove in order to mount the panel on the plywood. I'm still working on my installation of my new panel. So what I'm going to be doing is clearing this whole area for my new panel. I have to clear everything to make sure I have enough room. The panel will be a lot bigger. So before I install my new panel, I want to make sure that everything is cleared. No obstacles is in my way. And this is the new panel. But I'm going to be taking this panel and flipping it the other way because the main comes in this way. So for that reason, I have to flip my panel the other direction instead of being the normal way. So now this is allowed because there's a code rule that states that your breaker has to be a certain height. So this is within my certain height, so I can take this panel and flip it the other way, and that's exactly what I'm going to do to make this work. Okay, just going to knock out the couple that way once I install my panel, I don't need to play around with here because it's going to give me problems. So the key to installing a panel fast and efficiently is to prep everything. Make sure that you don't forget the simple stuff that you need to do before you install this panel. This will be one of them. So that's basically what I'm doing in this video. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Two wires into one grommet. So the trade name is grommet. It's basically a connector. So I'm basically having problems with this, so I'm just going to cut this off and get rid of it. So it's now 11:18 and I'm still waiting on the inspector. He should be here around between 11 and 1. Good morning, Resilient Queen. Again, thank you for checking into the live stream. See, it's very messy in here. There's not a lot of room to play with. So again, these are my 2 lighting circuits here I have. Always Resilient Queen.
Okay, that's fine. I know we're all busy, so a like, a share is all good also. So again, thank you for always tuning into the channel and
As you can see,
showing
I'm
the
not
support.
twisting them. I'm just putting them together so they go into the same ground screw, under the same ground screw. The reason why I do not twist my wires is because if I have to, if there's a problem and I have to troubleshoot, then I have to remove all the grounds from the bar, and it just does not make sense. So I don't twist my grounds. Again, also this is just a video. Please don't try this at home. If you have to, contact a licensed electrical contractor.
Okay, you're always welcome.
You can see I have a lot of wires still to go. This side is basically finished. And I always use my connector. And now this is washroom GFI, so I'm just going to mark it. Don't need a whole lot, and remember I always cut my wires one by one, never two or three. It's a dead short. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys a full roughing of the first floor that I recently finished. So right here, as you can see, we're going to have a security wire. Also, if you see, we're going to have a keypad here. I have some switches on this wall. Also at the entrance, I'm going to have some receptacles. If you see, I have one here. I have another receptacle here. And there's another one here. And we go into this room. This room, you're going to see I have some pot lights, a speaker cable, one sender light. You can see my wire is all neatly strapped down. In this room, I'm going to have one data for the TV, one receptacle for the TV, my switches to control this room, my receptacles for this room, alter code. I'll have a data on this wall. I have a data, one receptacle for the floor. This room here is going to be a washroom. You see, I have my fan here, couple pot lights, LED mirror, GFI receptacle for the sink. I have one receptacle for the toilet, and I have my switches. We leave this room here, and we go over to this room. You're going to see I have some pot lights with sender light. This wire here is basically for the LED strip light. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this side for the pot light. It's also it's called a three-way switch. I have my receptacles. This here is going to be a receptacle for the gas fireplace. And then I'm going to have my security contacts for the windows, along with my wiring for the shade windows. We leave this area. We're going to go into this room, which is another washroom. Two pot lights, one fan, two pendants. I have my receptacle for my LED mirror, receptacle for the GFI. In here, there's no receptacle for the toilet because of the, obviously this is a new style toilet, so it doesn't call for a receptacle. Here I have my switches for this washroom, and if we go into this area, it's going to be one receptacle here, some pot lights, LED strip lights. If you see the way I tuck my wire out so it's not lost in the drywall, and my switches for this washroom, sorry, not washroom, for this room. We go over to this next room here. You'll see I have my pot lights, center light, I have speaker cables. I also have another cable for my LED strip. I have my switches here, which will be controlled from this location also. Okay, here I'm going to have a GFI. There's going to be a sink here, wash basin. This is a nanny kitchen, butler kitchen. We go into this area. You're going to see I have my receptacle for my microwave. I have a couple receptacles for the counter, alter code. There's going to be a mini fridge here. Freezer. This is going to be a dishwasher. And then going to this area, this is my kitchen. I have a 20 amp fridge receptacle. I have wall oven receptacle. On this wall I have my receptacles that's going to be underneath the cabinet, the counter. I have a hood fan, LED strip lights. I have my stove, one gas stove. By code I have to provide another stove receptacle. And then this area is going to be my counter. These two areas, you'll see I have my receptacles coming up. Dishwasher, counter receptacles. You also see I have some pot lights, speaker cable, one center light. I have more pot lights here, speaker cable, one center light. Going to this area, I have my pot lights with my center light. I have my security wire for the smoke. I have one motion wire for the security. Also I have some contacts for the windows and the shade blinds. In this area is going to be my switches to control the kitchen. I have one keypad here. And then we go into this area where you're going to see I have my switches. These are all going to be controlling the outside lights and some lights inside the entrance here. This room is the main family room. You see I have a receptacle on the top. This is for a sink and GFI. Then I have my plugs on this wall. This is going to be a fireplace, TV, data. In this area I also have speakers along with pot lights. This is going to be one center light with speakers, some pot lights in this area. Also I have my security door window contacts, shade windows. Another set of speakers. LED strip light wire hanging. And this will be my switches for that room, family room. This is the elevator. These wires are going to be basically for the under the stairs lighting. We go into this room. You see I have a smoke detector, 2 lights. This area is another washroom, fans, 2 pot lights, 2 wall lights, GFI, LED mirror. My switches, my wire is all neatly strapped. In this area we're going to have a kitchen.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream. And again, thank you for the continuing support of the channel.
Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is basically a video of the full drywall installation of all my rooms. As you can see, it's a little bit dark in here. This is basically the bedroom. You see here all my plugs, and then you can see my temporary cable that I ran for the heaters. Okay. This is where the temporary cable I ran. Previously I had it on top of the wall going across, but the drywallers were whining about you know, the little screws that I'm making into the drywall. So I had to run it across like this. But the reason why it's like this is because they have to build a cover protection to go across this area, which is required by code. Any cable that's being run on the floor has to be protected and sealed, and that is in the code book. And here is the second room here. As you can see, this is a full preview of the second floor. Got all the work done, all the drywall installed. And then we go into here. This would be my closet. So the difference when the drywall is up makes the rooms a lot bigger. As you can see here. And then into here, this will be the washroom.
Bless up yourself, Fiwi Reggae.
Obviously,
Again, thank you for the
my
donation, and again, also thank you for checking into the live stream.
This is the washroom here.
So again, I'm going to be doing just videos because I'm kind of on the road. So I'm just running my videos, and as you guys come in, I will just pick you guys up as I go. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in to the live stream today, and the continuing support. morning, Desiree Scott, and blessing yourself. And thank you for checking into the live stream and showing the support. Okay, I will. And again, same to you as always. Also,
simple way of stripping my wire. And as you can see, I'm going to leave this on. So this has the marking to get to know where this wire is going to land. That's basically it for today's video. So please like, share and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next video with this installation. Thank you.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel, and you guys are tuned into today's live stream. So again, I'd like to thank all those who have tuned into the live stream today. Unfortunately, I'm doing minimum talking because I'm on the road, so I'm going to be just running my videos until I reach where I have to go. So again, as you guys come in, don't forget to like up the live, very important. Also, you can subscribe to the channel. Also, you can become a member of the channel. So again, I'd like to thank Zillion Queen and also Israel Scott.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video what you simply have is me installing my breakers into the panel, balancing up the panel correctly, and also installing my power wires. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can leave a like and share the video. You can also comment in the comment section, and also please just sit back and enjoy the video, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So this one actually has the tail. It's a 15 amp arc fall breaker, dual function. This is a 20 amp, I don't need this one yet. For the hood fan, you'll get an arc fault. basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. So basically this is how
So again, hello and welcome back to the channel. I'd like to thank all you guys who has tuned in to today's live stream and continues to support the channel. So what my channel is basically about is electrical, and I normally do my videos of the my daily work that I do during the morning, whatever, it could be evening, weekends, and I basically show them on the channel. I also post other videos, so if you're curious, just run through my channel. You'll see lots of other videos posted. So again, as you come in, don't forget to like the live, very important, and continue to run my videos. Bless up yourself, Jamaica Vice Entertainment. Again, thank you for also checking into the live stream and the continuing support. How did it go with that thing, Jamaica Vice Entertainment? You good now? Hello? 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 Hey, fine. Yeah, I'm in the video. Let me double check. How you doing? I know they were closing.
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And again, I'd like to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel and who continue to support the channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and hit the notification button. Make sure it's turned to all, and you can also like and share the video. And in today's video, what we have is simply roughing in two different areas. One is the main electrical room, and the other one is inside of the home of the house. So again, just sit back and enjoy, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm simply preparing the electrical room with the 400 amp main panel, and I'm simply going to be using the code rules that's laid out in the code books. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my notifications. You can also like and share the video. And again, just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm simply preparing the electrical room with the 400 amp main panel. And I'm simply going to be using the code rules that's laid out in the code books. So again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. You can also make sure your notification is turned to all. That way you receive my notifications. You can also like and share the video. And again, just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.
So hello again and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's live stream as I continue to run my videos. So I'm going to So again, as you come in, don't forget to like up the live. Very important to just hit the like button. And again, as I will continue to play my videos. So again, I would like to thank Resilient Queen for checking in to the live stream this morning. Um, So also I'd like to thank Fury Reggae for checking into the live stream and supporting the channel with a $5 donation. So again, thank you again for the donation to the channel. And I'll also like to thank Israel Scott for checking into the live stream also. So I also like to thank Jamaica Vibe Entertainment TV for the continuing support of the channel and checking into the live stream this morning also. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important, and you can also share. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like
like up the video, very important. And you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots. We have the washroom. In here is going to be an office, and as you can see, the receptacles are going to be coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here, you're going to have LED strip lights at the top. So you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their Hello and welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. Also, as you come in, please don't forget to like up the video, very important. And you can also share the video. You can also become a member of the channel, and you can also subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, what we have is simply a roughing that was done throughout the home. So this is basically a walkthrough of the finishing, before finishing, before the drywall goes up. As you can see, you'll see all my wires are neatly strapped. When it comes to my wires joined through the 2x8, it's dead in the center. There's a code rule on that also. You'll also see I have some speaker wires, pot lights, the whole 9 yards, security wiring for the home. We have some TV outlets, data outlets, 2 game bots.
Good morning, Sasha Ice. Again,
the
thank you
washroom.
also for checking in
here
to
is
the
going to
live
be
stream
office,
today. And
as you
thank
can
you
see,
again for the
receptacles
continuous support
are
of
going to
the
be
channel.
coming out through the baseboard. And we have here we have 1 floor receptacle. And as we go into the washroom we have fans, 4 pot lights, we have LED mirror, GFI receptacle, toilet receptacle. We have our switches also by the door. So as I said, this is filled with lots of stuff, the entire home. As we go into this room here, you'll see same thing, my receptacles. There's no box on them because they're going to be coming out of the baseboard. That's where the receptacle is going to be placed. In here you're going to have LED strip lights at the top, so you can see my switches neatly supported on both sides according to the code. And here also is filled with security wiring also. There's going to be a heater here, built-in heater. As we go around the ceiling, you can see my wires 2x4 placed on the top to stop the nails from going through or puncturing the wires once they start to install their drywall. This room here is a washroom, another washroom. So again, washroom, I have my pot lights, I have my fan, I have two pendant lights coming down, I have my GFI, I have my LED mirror receptacle. In here there's no toilet receptacle because it doesn't call for one. This is some type of apparently new system. It's the first time I've seen it. You have your 2-gang box. This is a 3-gang box, excuse me. As you can see, I have my wires stapled. Here's another receptacle. There's about 6 spotlights in here. One LED strip light circuit is going to be provided inside of the room, along with 2 switches. As you can see, my 2-gang box is always supported to code. So again, as we wind down to the end of the video, please don't forget to like up the video. You can also share the video, subscribe to the channel, become a member, and again, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. I just want to say thank you for everyone who keeps watching my videos and subscribing and liking. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So what I'm basically doing today is I'm going to be running this cable. This is the feeder cable. So as you can see, I have my wire called off, and I'm basically feeding through the bulkhead. Okay, I have to make it over to where I have my disconnect position. So this is where I have to end up with my cable. I'll be taking this path. Okay, thank you. Hi and welcome to my channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. This is basically my service cable that I'm going to be using to provide power into the house. This cable is 250 kc mil. rated for almost 400 amps. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. at YouTube. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Today I'm going to be installing a 400 amp disconnect. Okay, as you see, it's a pretty big disconnect, and I'm going to be installing that here. Hello to all my subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Here I'm going to be pre-drilling my holes for my 400 amp meter base. If you see here, I have my two slots for my screws here. Okay. So what I basically did is I'm going to pre-drill with my marks, and once I'm ready to install, I should be right on those holes. Okay. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So today I'm just going to be saying that this tool here where my cable came off of, now that I'm finished with it, I'm actually not going to dispose of it, because there's actually a fee of money that I can get back for this actual stool here. Yeah, so believe it or not, it's worth quite a bit of money. So in order for me to get my deposit back, I have to return this stool. And that's it. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. As you can see today, I'm running my feeder cables from the meter base, which is not installed yet, which is going to be around here. And as you can see, my cables, they're both the same length, which is actually in the code book. Whenever you're running parallel runs, both cables have to be the exact same length in order for it to work efficiently. So please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. So as you can see, my cables are both inside. These two cables here are going to be my feeders from the outside meter base. These two cables are going to be feeding the panel. And you can see these two cables has almost the same length of cable. Also these two cables. And this pipe also will have to go on the outside eventually, with another conduit that I have to run for the generator power. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos, and also let me know what you think in the comment section. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. You can also leave a like, comment, and you can also share. Today I've put together a numerous amount of videos, so please stay tuned, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. So this tester is actually great for troubleshooting. Works perfect when you're in a jam and when you're trying to finish off a job without any problems. Notice how I use it. Notice how it works. Nice, easy, and simple. And this was the day I was about to change out the panel. As you can see, my panel is at the side of the house. Normally I reach out the job in time before the job starts, before the inspector even arrives. And this right here is basically my 400 amp disconnect that I laid on the floor before I installed it, with some prep work, plywood, sheet of plywood to support the disconnect once I install it. And as you can see, this is the pool house, where you will see me finishing this eventually after I'm done the main house. These are lights on the outside with some receptacles, normal stuff that you will put on the outside of the house. Same thing goes for the pool house. Just keep in mind to follow the code rules. And as you can see, there's a hot tub here, which I will have to be providing some stuff to it in the future, along with my pipes that's going to control everything on the outside. So it's a hot tub. You see my ground wire is coming up. Very important when it comes to the hot tubs and the pools, to make sure that you have the grounding, proper size grounding, in order to do the job. So this is the pool, which is not ready as yet, and you will see me doing my work eventually once this is ready to be completed. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in. Don't forget to like up the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. So hello, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's lesson. I'm simply going to be installing my receptacles. So again, welcome back to the channel. I'm simply doing this my receptacles right now. So basically what I'm doing is I have a neck wire, so I'm going to be repairing this neck wire with the extension to protect the wires from hitting the box. Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, what I'll be showing you is basically I've removed the bonding screw, bonding strap from the panel as it's bounded at the main disconnect, so no need for leaving this inside the panel. I've also grounded off my ground wires, tech cable onto a bigger ground lug. As you can see here, these are pretty bigger, and the ground bar you see there is usually smaller and gives me issues, and it probably wouldn't pass inspection, so I went a step further in installing proper ground lugs that are bigger and required. For that reason, um, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit.
So again, hello again, and welcome back to the channel. And again, I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning into this morning's live stream. Again, I would like to thank Resilient Queen for checking into the live stream. Also, like to thank Fury Reggae TV, Fury Reggae Dancehall TV for checking into the live stream. Also, and also supporting the channel. I'll also like to thank Israel Scott for checking into the live stream, and also Jamaica Vibe TV, Entertainment TV. I'd like to thank you for tuning into today's live stream, along with Sasha Ice for tuning into the live stream and the continuous support. So again, this is the last video that I just played there, so I'm going to be signing off of the live stream. So again, thank you guys all for tuning in, and I will catch you guys on the next live.